echoing through the entire street. It's midnight, and you are standing here smacking them like it's a show.
Are you seriously doing this right now? It's past midnight, this bell is shaking the entire porch, people are sleeping, and you're out here acting like this is some kind of late-night concert.
That bell is piercing my ears! It is the middle of the night, people are sleeping, and you're out here ringing that thing like you're proud of it!
Do you have any idea how loud that is? It's the middle of the night, that scraping sound is going through the walls, and you won't stop.
Oh, this is not okay. It's midnight, you're slamming into metal furniture, and the whole porch is shaking because of it.
This is dangerous and loud. It's the middle of the night, you're clinking glass like that, and you don't even seem to care.
I can't put that there. It's the middle of the night. You're knocking things over like you're trying to wake the entire block.
That ladder is not a toy. It's midnight, and every step you take sounds like a drum.
That sound is driving me insane. It's midnight, and you are flicking that thing over and over like you're trying to test my patience.
Are you kidding me right now? Those bowls are ringing through the whole house, and you just keep going. This is unbelievable! It's midnight! Those metal doors are slamming over and over, and you're still going!
That railing is shaking the whole porch. It's midnight, and you are not stopping at all.
You cannot be out here doing this! It's midnight, that sound is booming through the house, and you're acting like this porch is your personal stage! I cannot believe this right now! It's midnight, that plastic noise is echoing through the entire house, and you're out here beating on it like you own the place!
This is ridiculous. It's the middle of the night, that metal sound is cutting through the entire house, and you're standing out here smashing it like you don't care at all.
Unbelievable. Absolutely unbelievable. It is midnight. This is not a street performance. This is not a drum circle, and you're out here pounding plastic like you're trying to wake the entire block.
Do you have any idea how loud that is? That metal echo is bouncing through every house on this street, and you are doing it like you don't care at all. This is insane. It's midnight. Those cans are echoing like crazy, and you are standing here banging them like you're auditioning for something.
The gate is screaming every time you touch it. It's midnight, and you are not stopping.